In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate objects in Illustrator. Duplicating objects is one of the most useful basic skills in Adobe Illustrator, especially when you want to repeat shapes, build layouts faster, or create multiple versions of the same design element without starting from scratch. The good news is that it's very quick to do, and there are two simple methods you can use. First, select the object you want to duplicate using the selection tool. You can activate the selection tool by pressing V on your keyboard. Make sure the object is clearly selected before moving on. If it's selected properly, you should see the usual bounding box or anchor indicators around it, depending on your settings. Once your object is selected, hold down the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac. This key tells Illustrator that instead of just moving the object, you want to create a copy of it while dragging. Keep that key held down as you move to the next part. Now click and drag the object to the place where you want the duplicate to appear. As you drag, Illustrator will let you reposition the copied object exactly where you need it. This method is especially useful when you want to visually place the duplicate in a specific spot, rather than just pasting it somewhere automatically. When the object is in the right position, release the mouse button to create the duplicate. At that point, you should have both the original object and the copied version on your artboard. If needed, you can repeat the same action again to make additional copies quickly. There's also another method you can use if you prefer standard copy and paste commands. Start by selecting the object just as before, then press Ctrl and C on Windows to copy it. After that, press Ctrl and V to paste a duplicate. This will create another copy of the selected object, and it's a good option if you're more comfortable using keyboard shortcuts for editing. Both methods are useful, but they serve slightly different purposes. Dragging with Alt or Option is great when you want precise visual placement during the duplication process. Copying and pasting is helpful when you simply need another version of the object and can reposition it afterward. If you're working on repetitive designs, getting comfortable with both of these techniques can save you a lot of time. Practice each method a few times so it becomes second nature, and you'll be able to duplicate objects in Illustrator quickly and efficiently.